Hello, enthusiasts. I've been tweeting about this. I've been Instagramming about this. It took me way longer than it should have, but today is the day we are finally getting official TechAltar merch. And today is also the day when I do my first ever giveaway. So let's talk about that. Number one is the t-shirt. Black on the front, it says Enthusiast using the TechAltar font. It's subtle. I was thinking about just slapping a logo on there like most people do, but then I thought that would be kind of boring and you wouldn't want to wear that on a daily basis. And then I realized that being an enthusiast is what connects us all. I mean, I'm an enthusiast, you're an enthusiast, it's at our core. So I just decided to put that on a t-shirt. They're nice custom T's and A's. You know, people who know will know, but people who don't will just think it's a cool t-shirt. This is the only t-shirt design that is available in the first wave of merch. And just to keep things simple, it is actually available starting today. And like all other merch items, it ships to anywhere in the world. Item 2 is metal pins, and I'll be honest, this was not my idea. My merch partner convinced me, saying that people love these, and I can see why. They're tiny, they're fun, you can stick them on a jacket, you can put them on a bag, you can do with it whatever the hell you want, and they're ready to ship starting today. Okay, item number 3 is ungrips. I have them on all of my phones. They're my favorite item probably in the whole universe. My girlfriend has them, my best friend has them. I give them to everyone and I've tested everyone's life with it. I've talked about it like 100 times in different videos and in different tweets. They are just so good. So you just basically stick them on a phone and they make using even the biggest phone really easy, one-handed. It's secure, you don't drop your phone. You can ungrip your phone like this. It's a really cool party trick. People freak out, they think you're dropping your phone. They're just so much fun and you can finally get custom TechAltar ungrips. Now the one I have here is a pre-production model. It's a kind of a prototype. They're shipping the real deal to our warehouses right now. So in about a week or so, they should be available, but you can already pre-order them starting today. Item number 4 is a simple TechAltar hoodie. I don't have one right now because they're still in production, but you can either pre-order them right now, they're available on the website, or you can simply wait until they get to me and follow me on my social media channels. I will be posting pictures and videos and whatever of it later on when they arrive, so the choice is yours. Pre-order or just wait. And last we have stickers. Again, there's a classic TA one, but there's also an enthusiast one if you want to be more stealthy. They're being produced right now. I was told that they'll be done in about a week from now, but of course they are available for pre-order already. So that is the merch, and I have 3 tasks for you. 1, if you buy the merch, please take a photo of it, like a really good one, and send it to me. So like tweet it at me, tag me on Instagram, fax it to me if you have to, just make sure it gets to me. I would really love to see my merch in the wild. And if you take a really cool picture, I'll be sure to reshare it on my social media channels. Okay, number 2, give me all of your feedback. Do you like the stuff that we made? Is it too big, too small, too tight? The color matches or doesn't match? Whatever feedback you have, I want to know so we can make sure that there are no issues with the merch. Number 3 is if you have any ideas for future merch, please also share that with me. Do you have any ideas for new colors, new items, different designs? Do you have something really cool in your head that you just love to have from TechAltar? Share it with me. I want this merch line to evolve over time and I want you to be a part of it. Okay, I said at the beginning of this video that there'll be a giveaway and it's actually going to 3 different people. Dominic, Mr. Cat, and Victor S. If you guys are watching, please email me. There's like an email address in the about page of my YouTube channel. Please get to me. I want to send you merch. You can select which of these merch items you want. I'll be so happy to give you guys merch because if you guys don't know, these people are some of the top contributors of subtitles and community contributions, closed captions on my videos. So if you watch a video and under it, there are closed captions, so either in English or subtitles in different languages. These guys are some of the top contributors who made that happen. I'm so grateful for all of your work and I want to reward you guys. Okay, on to your questions. By far the most asked one was, does my merch ship to country X? To which the answer is yes, it ships to anywhere in the world, theoretically, that's what I'm told. Apparently there's different shipping costs per country, so please consult the website, you'll figure it out from there, but theoretically it ships to anywhere in the world. Okay, favorite TV series? I don't really have a favorite one, but I'm binge watching Attack on Titan right now. I think it's really good. Before that, I was binge watching Rick and Morty, which is also really fun. I actually have a Christmas sweater for... Wait a second. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. I have like a really ugly Christmas sweater from Rick and Morty. So I guess there's that. Okay, can I say something in Hungarian? Nézzétek meg az első videókat, amiket feltöltöttem erre a csatornára, azok magyarul vannak. Beszélek egy csomót magyarul. Okay, back to English. Will I collab with other YouTubers? Sure, I'd love to. I haven't really had the time to do it so far, but yeah, who do you want me to collab with? Let me know in the comments below or tweet it at me. Okay, next question. How do I select topics for my videos? So I basically just come up with most of my topic ideas either while I'm in the shower or while I'm walking somewhere doing something completely random where my brain is free to think and roam, or while I listen to podcasts. I listen to like 2 hours of podcasts every day. They give me a lot of ideas and I just throw them into like a long list of topics that I have to work on. There's over 100 of them in this list now, and every time I make a video, I just select the best one from the list. That's my process. Okay, I'm afraid that's all the questions I had time for today because I have to run to shoot another video. I'm super excited about that one. It will be really cool. If you want to get Enthusiast merch, links are in the description to all the things that we've talked about today. Be sure to follow me on my social media channels because I will be, posting updates about merch, and I can't wait to see how you guys like the merch. I'm really excited.